In this video, I will show you how to contact Roblox support. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in from the home screen, what you're going to want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom. At the very bottom of the page, you're going to see some options come up. From the options that come up, you're going to see an option called Help. So what you want to do is give this a click first of all. Now, what that's going to do is take you across to the Help section for Roblox. So if there is a problem that you're currently having a problem with, say for example, you've forgotten your password, what you can do is use the search box here. So we can type, for example, I forgot my password. Generally, it's going to give you some suggestions on related articles. So you can see there's one here. So if we actually click onto this is going to quickly resolve any problems you have. It's going to give you instructions on how to resolve a particular problem. But if you actually want to contact Roblox support and actually speak to someone from Roblox, what you're going to want to do is actually come across to roblox.com. Then what you want to do is put a / and then type support. And if you actually come across to this page, what it's going to do is load up a contact form. Now in here, what you're going to want to do is put your username, first name and email address. For the email address, you want to make sure you do have access to that email address, as that is how they're going to contact you. So you want to make sure to put that into here. Then what you can do is come down to the issue details section. And in the first box, you need to select the device that you're having the problem on. So whether that's like your PC, Xbox or a phone, for example. So I'm going to select PC. Then what you need to do is select the type of help category. So if you click onto this, you can see a ton of different categories that's going to come up. Now, if you can't see your exact problem here or your exact category that you need help with, just select the one that's closest to what you need help with. So if we use our previous example of if you're looking to reset your password, so you've forgotten your password, what we would do in this case is select account hacked or can't log in. Now, when you've done this, you're going to get a second drop-down box, and from here, there's going to be some further options to select. So in our example, we're going to go ahead and select forgot password. So after you've done that, what you're going to want to do is put a description of your issue into the box here. So you just want to put basically as much information as possible. So if you're getting, for example, like an error message, you need to put the error code number. If you've forgotten your password, then of course you need to explain why you've forgotten your password or what you're having problems with, basically logging in. And once you've filled out this form, you just want to come down and click the continue button at the bottom. Now, generally it takes about 48 hours for Roblox to get into contact with you and of course help you with your problem. What you can also do, it does take a bit longer, but if you don't want to do the support form, you can use info@roblox.com, which is an email address. This is more so for general questions you may have about your account or the game itself. If you're looking to actually do like an appeal, say your account's been banned or blocked or something like that, you'll need to email appeals@roblox.com. However, I would highly recommend doing this form, but of course those emails are another option if you wanted to do it that way as well. So that's how to contact Roblox support. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.